Hello again, this is Nathan. Um, Today's video is gonna be about the site web that is called Kahoot. Kahoot is a site web very similar to Warwall. And the difference between these ones is that this site web provides activities to your classroom, to your lessons, depending on the topic that you want. But the difference between these ones is that Kahoot provides an activity, very active, where all the students participate at the same time by their own and in real time. It can be performed and everyone can participate at the same time. The difference the difference with Warwall is that everyone can participate, uh, but only by their own in their own computers, at home or after get it done in class. But with Kahoot is totally different because we got an activity where everyone participates only by using their smartphones. The only thing is that they have to get access of Wi-Fi, internet to get in a game. There are several ways of how to use this Kahoot. You can use it as on your own. You can use it on your own as a student and even as a teacher. The teacher has, I think, it has more advantages because it lets the teacher uh, more opportunities to create more activities. Uh, it is kind Most of the time it is the similar the similar activity over and over. The interesting part is that Kahoot is a site web that helps as an reinforcement of a topic. So here we have Kahoot. This is the main page that is Kahoot. As you can see, you have to upload yourself first. So I'm gonna sign up real quick. As you can see, you can use it as a professional, personal, student, or a teacher, or as a teacher, sorry. And you can choose. You have these aspects that you can choose from. I'm gonna choose school. Doesn't matter. Continue with Google. It is gonna be easier for you to use Google account, your Google account, so it will be faster to get in. As you can see, this is the main page where you can use many things. So you can discover things. You can use this is the part of uh, premium class. You have to pay to use uh, these activities. Then we got library where you can purchase content, courses, reports. Even you can do your own report by creating a Kahoot. For example, I was doing this one. So, for example, this is a demo version. Um, Even though the demo version it has like a unique questions, unique activities in it. For example, if you gotta play, if your students will be um, can write or choosing a picture. I'm gonna show you real quick. Right now, I have no students to get in this room, so we're gonna get focused on how to use this app real quick. If you're in a hurry on looking at reinforcement, this could be the best option. Now, here we have the opportunity to create our own Kahoot or create our own course. I don't know how to use that part, but if you want, you can go here and find more about it. Uh, as you can see, reinforce knowledge with Kahoot, introduce new topics with a blind Kahoot. We got these uh, this kind of Kahoots that we can perform in class. These ones that we got here with a star in it. These are like premium, so you gotta pay for them. But we're going to be, I don't know, going with the simple one. So these are the questions. These are like, this is how you create it. For example, right here, like, where is the bakery? You can create questions in simple past, simple present, whatever topic that that you're seeing in class right now, your students. For example, I can go in here and choose a random topic like, I don't know, biographies. I get biographies, so I can choose like, I don't know, who wrote Hamlet. I think it was. I think it is like that, Hamlet. Then you can go here and you can go with, I don't know. You can create your own answers. Um, oh right. To get to know which one is correct, you just have to like to click on it to know which one is correct. Like Shakespeare, I think. Shake- Shakespeare. That's the one that created that who wrote Hamlet. Um, he. So at the time that you create the the first question, as you can see here in in the first page, these ones I don't know why, but these ones are in here to create more pages, more questions. Then you have to then you have the option of doing in quiz like a multiple choice. You do a question and multiple answers on it, as you can see, and then we got true or false like, um, I don't know, an orange is red. No, false or true. You can make your students to answer. We got a limit of time, and also we got the points if we want to know. Um, we can go here, save save it, keep it as a draft, or I don't know. Let's see. I think you go here. Nope. Well, after you create your own Kahoot, you go to, I don't know, to get down. You put in, there's an option to get down in the your page. Uh, you got, for example, host. You have the option of host the Kahoot that you created, and at the same time, um, there will be a page. There will be a page where it will look like this one. It will look like this one. After you create your own Kahoot, it will appear the spin. You share it with your classmates or with your students, and after you share it, they gotta go to another link, to another Kahoot link, Kahoot.it, and you click the numbers, the pin of the game, um, 730, 734, 16, 46. Then your students have the option of putting their names in it, and after you get in, that's me. The teacher will be watching this, so they will be how. That's how can you use Kahoot in online in your in your lessons. So that's it for me.